Welcome back. Part 3 of the series of beer taps, custom beer taps that we're making for a nice ski resort up in Whistler, BC. So this is part 3. Part 1 was the beaver, part 2 was the moose, part 3 is the ram. Did the ram out of actually pine for the head, red oak for the horns or the antlers. Those came out really well. It's got a nice heft to it. All on a hardwood base with our threaded insert to fit onto any beer tap in North America. This one's got a nice pull to it. That's going to be pretty impressive at the hotel pouring beers. So this is part 3. We still have part 4, which is the goat. So stay tuned. I'm going to take you through step by step how I carved this one, inserted the eyes, shaped the horns, put those together. We got a metal rod, making sure the joint is good and strong, metal rod between the head and the handle. How we put the insert in. I'm going through step by step. Of course, there's still part 4, so stay tuned for that. That's the ram. No, this is the ram. Then we got the goat coming up after that. So let me know your thoughts if you like this one, and of course if you like the other two. And stay tuned to the end. You'll see some nice little glamour shots, and then of course stay tuned for part 4 of this nice series. We're almost done, halfway through. So I think we're all set on the ram's head. Just tapered the base here a little bit to fit better onto the handle that we'll build soon. That one's going to be about 1.5 inches, so I just tapered down to the bottom. So what we're going to do is put on a little teak oil. This lighter wood should turn a sort of a golden brown, light brown, but this red oak should really darken up. So we're going to have a nice contrast between the horns and the head of the body, or the head of the ram. So I think that's what the look we're going for, and let's find out if all that planning paid off. We just have a little piece of t-shirt. Going to do the head itself first, mostly because it's just easier to grab the horns, and exactly what we thought. Nice light brown for the head. That's turning out nice. All the grains popping. I think that's going to be a pretty good contrast. And just while I have you guys here, yeah, that is exactly what we're looking for. That's the contrast I was going for. Nice dark horns, lighter head. It's going to work out perfect. Let me finish all this up. Keep putting on oil. I see the head's already soaking up everything. So it's going to take a few coats. So let's finish that off, and I'll show you at the end. Same as the other sections. We finish with the polyurethane, but got to take off the rough nibs. Little brown paper bag. Give it a final polish. Beautiful. Super smooth. It's a nice grain pattern on that. Nice shine to it.